Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial on user-defined models or UDMs. When you create ontologies, you'll find yourself creating certain attributes over and over again. For instance, information like addresses can be used for both individual and entities. With tree-knowledge UDMs, you can create such template attribute set once and reuse them anywhere in the ontological editor. For instance, a good example of UDMs is temporal attributes. Here we'll create a temporal attribute to record both start and end date, as well as precision information. We start by creating a new UDM and give it a name. Next, we create the attributes or properties we want. Once you are done, save the changes and the UDM will be available everywhere in the brain. To add a UDM to a node, create a property and select the object type. In the drop-down list, select the relevant UDM you want to use. You can do the same with relationship properties. For instance, if we create a connection works for, we will want to capture start and end date, so we can call the UDM here too. UDMs are a great way of standardizing the architecture of your knowledge base and greatly speed up the process of setting up your ontological framework. That's all for this tutorial on UDMs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on our website for an early access to the Re-Knowledge Investigative Board. See you next time!